Blockchain, it's everywhere, but what is it really? You might think it's just for techies or finance pros, but the core idea is surprisingly simple. Imagine a tool that changes how we share and store information, making trust part of the system itself. Forget the jargon, let's break it down with real-world examples and clear ideas. By the end, you'll see blockchain isn't a mystery, but a practical tool shaping the future of trust, collaboration, and the internet. Ready to dive in? Let's start with the basics and see why this technology is so revolutionary. Consider this your friendly, no-nonsense introduction to blockchain. Think of blockchain as a digital notebook, a ledger everyone can see and share. Instead of pages, it has blocks, each filled with records or transactions. When a block is full, it's added to the chain, creating a permanent, ordered history. What's special? It's decentralized. Everyone has the same copy, and no single person controls it. Each block contains a timestamp and a unique digital fingerprint or hash. Here's the clever part. Every block's hash includes the hash of the previous block, linking them together. This makes the chain secure. If you try to change one block, the whole chain breaks, and everyone notices. It's a built-in security system that keeps the record honest. No secret changes, no hidden edits, just a transparent, tamper-proof history. That's the magic behind blockchain's trustworthiness. Now, let's see how new information gets added. So how does a new transaction join the blockchain? When someone initiates a transaction, it's broadcast to a network of computers, nodes, each holding a copy of the ledger. These nodes verify the transaction, checking for things like valid signatures and available funds. Verified transactions are bundled into a new block. The network must agree, reach consensus, on which block to add next, often through a process like proof of work. The winning block is added to the chain, cryptographically linked to the previous one. Every node updates its copy, keeping the system synchronized and secure. And then the process repeats for the next set of transactions. Why all the hype? Blockchain's power comes from three features: decentralization, transparency, and immutability. Decentralization means no single point of failure. If one computer goes down, the network keeps running. Transparency lets anyone view the transaction history, building trust and accountability. Immutability means once data is recorded, it can't be changed or erased, ever. This makes fraud and tampering nearly impossible. Imagine a charity where every donation is tracked, or a business where all deals are visible. Blockchain creates systems that are open, fair, and secure by design. That's why it's such a game changer. But it's not just about money. Blockchain isn't just for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, it's transforming industries everywhere. In supply chains, it tracks products from origin to store, fighting counterfeits and ensuring safety. Scan a QR code, and you can see a product's entire journey. In finance, blockchain enables fast, low-cost transfers and automates complex processes with smart contracts. Healthcare can use blockchain for secure, unified medical records that patients control. You decide who accesses your data, and every change is recorded. From voting systems to intellectual property, blockchain's applications are vast. It's about making systems more transparent, efficient, and trustworthy. The possibilities are just beginning. So what's next? Blockchain is still evolving, much like the early internet. Developers are working on making it faster and more scalable so it can handle millions of transactions. Interoperability, connecting different blockchains, is on the horizon, creating a seamless digital ecosystem. Energy use is being tackled with greener methods like proof of stake. Even governments are exploring digital currencies built on blockchain principles. The future? More secure supply chains, better health records, and a more open financial system. Blockchain's journey is just beginning, and its impact will only grow. The next chapter of the digital world is being built, one block at a time.